Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show how to give voiceover or narration to your video. I am using this software called Audacity on my computer. I have installed it. Using this software, I am going to record my voiceover or narration. You can do it on phone or you can do it on any other device to record your voice. So I'll go back to the main document where we have the script. So this is the script. Hi, I am Naresh. Have you ever made a video that just didn't look right? So this is the script for my video. In the same way, if you have created your script, you have to give the voiceover for that particular script. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give narration to this voice now. To this script now. So I'm going back to Audacity and I'm going to click on Audacity. I'm going to click on record and I'm going to give the voiceover now. Hi, I am Naresh. Have you ever made a video that just didn't look right? I had the same problem. Random clips, no real story. In this course, you will learn simple steps to create a video that's personal, consistent, and polished. By the end of the course, you will have a 30 to 40 seconds AI video you will be proud to share with the world. So this way you can record your voice for your video. Okay, so I'm going to stop it here. I'm going to stop this narration. So I have just done it in one shot. You can try like 4 to 5 times and you can select the best voiceover audio for your particular project. So once you have your voiceover ready, all you need to do is click on file and export audio. Export it onto your computer. I'm going to save it on the desktop. I'm going to save it on the desktop. I'm going to say voiceover and I'm going to save it and export. All right, so let's go back to CapCut now. Let's go back to CapCut and we are going to add the voiceover to CapCut and we are going to do some editing and we are going to finish the final project. So we are going to do that in the next video. I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.